We are live. What's up, everybody? Let's rock and roll. Happy Friday. Crypto market analysis is the breakdown for tonight. Again, we do this once a month, and on my Instagram stories, I drop a story saying, give me the tickers you want me to go over, and that's what I'm doing tonight. So crypto has moved like I'm talking insane moves. So some of the coins that you guys want me to talk about is XRP, FET, Doge, IOTA, ETH, Bonk, XLM, Sol, Bitcoin. I took the hundreds and hundreds of tickers, and I saw the major ones, especially from people that comment on Instagram or active. There's so many watchers drop tickers. I'm like, should I block or should I ignore? I ignored it. So we're gonna break it all down tonight. XRP is the conversation to talk about. And what's up, everybody in the chat? We got Francis, Alfredo, Aqua, Stargazer. What's up, Luke? What's up, everyone? Hassan. What's up, guys? Good evening. Happy Friday. So let's rock and roll. Do me a favor. What ticker do you guys have the most of? I see a lot of XRP, but flood the chat. What's the biggest bag you're holding out of the ones I'm going to talk about tonight? So XRP, FET, Doge, IOTA, ETH, Bonk, XLM, Sol, Bitcoin. What is the biggest one? What's up, Peter? Always love seeing Peter in the chat. Good evening, Professor, and everyone. We need oil to spike to make XRP shoot to the sky. Israel and Iran clause. My opinion, the banks need to put the blame on something to start XRP. Professor, you the man. What's up, Tony? What an old picture of me and you, Tony. We got so many new ones, but I like that one. That's in Times Square. Keep it. We're live on TikTok, X, Instagram. Ladies and gentlemen, move over to YouTube. Day Trade Professor. That's where we are. So let's go. I know this is not the hot topic everyone wants me to talk about. Social media is a fascinating creature. You guys only want me to live trade non-stop. Like, that's the only thing. You don't care about mindset. You don't care about crypto. You don't care about stock market or not. You don't care about Q. You just want live trade. And that's why most of traders are not consistent, because you just want the live trade entry and exit. It's okay. It's okay. All right, so let's go into it. Always good to see Luke in the chat. All right, so let's go. Where's my pen? So the conversation right now is XRP. XRP. Luke says his biggest thing is XRP. Okay, Luke. So this is this is the state of XRP right now. Let's go full screen. What just happened? Okay. All right, let's go full screen here. Now, XRP, man, God bless XRP. That's all I gotta say. Ticker is XRP. Everyone knows the original monster move that we had, pumped all the way to $2.79 from, what was it, like in the 40 cents? We'll just say 50 cents. It just had a major move. Sideways, spike, sideways, another spike. We've had spike 1, spike 2, spike 3. What is a common trend? Because this is the thing, right? I'm not just here to talk about the tickers and analyze them. It's also to give you a lecture and a lesson on this. So answer that in the comment section on YouTube. What do you notice after a major spike? By the way, everyone should be on page, when it comes to portfolio management, crypto market analysis, page 41. Everyone should be on page 41. Let's go. Doge, 50,000. You have 50,000 Doge? 50,000 Doge. Or $50,000 worth of Doge. What's up, Hamza? What's up, Ricky? What's up, Ricky? Stages, yeah, page 41. Everyone should be on it. So what do you notice? Let's go. After you see a major spike in XRP, what do you notice? GGY R5K. Can we get a real name? I'm gonna give you 5 minutes, GGRK. Go put a real name there, or you're getting blocked in 5 minutes. I'm just saying, it's annoying to say GG. It's annoying. A major drop in key level, page 41 it is. It always retrace. Okay. Sideways, what's up, Eric? Consolidation. Major move, sideways. Major move, we had this massive wick down, sideways, drop. But overall, major move, sideways. Right now, if you notice, what stage is XRP on right now? What stage? Hits key level, big pump, retest, spikes down. Very good, Alfredo. Very good. So, what stage again? Page 41. Alan, I don't know what that emoji means. A cat in a box? Emojis are funny. Stage 4. Very good. We are, and here, let me give you the major level. By the way, this is a major level, and it sucks because we're under that level. $2.15. If you notice, XRP likes to go around this area. I'll give you that level too. Man, I know people that are sitting on big bags of XRP. That means let the cat loose. What cat? What cat? Appreciate your time to teach us. I got you, Nico. 6 years. Eric, will next year be 7? I'm losing track of time. Are we a few months away from 7 years of social media shenanigans? So, $1.59 is the next level on XRP to watch. My thing is, I'm just saying. I'm saying it now. Because the next time I do this live won't be December. I'll be, by the way, reminder, the most of this month, in I think 2 weeks, I'll be in the Bahamas. I'll be back in January. So please don't DM saying, why am I not live on YouTube? Common sense. I gotta say this, because if I get stupidity, I'm gonna block them. That means they're pure watchers. But the next time I do crypto live will be late January. Late January. Yeah. So, if you notice, who can tell me something very key about $1.59? Let's see who has the book. Let's see who has the book. I'm going to give you the page. You tell me the chapter. Let's see. I'm going to give you the page. I only know page 41 and 100. The rest, I have no clue where it is on the book. Wait, what am I doing? I know it's in the back of the book. This is key. Before I say it, can someone tell me? Can someone tell me? Where is it, bro? No. There it is. 96. Page 96. Does anyone know what I'm talking about? I gave you the hint, bro. But thousands of these books have sold. So page 96. What's coming? Page 96. Tell me in the chat. Let's see what's going on over here. In X, Instagram. Instagram, why is 20 people watching this? Get off of it. X, we have 732 likes. Holy shit. TikTok, 762 likes. Holy shit. Yo, I'm gonna tell you, TikTok is wild. I did a live on TikTok, like the YouTube, 2 months ago. I looked at the analytics. 2,000 views on TikTok. The algorithm pushes lives more than anything else. Knock, knock, boom, knock, no. The reverse. Knock, knock, boom. The reverse. Knock, knock, boom. Not the knock, knock, boom. The reverse. If you notice, this area once where's the eraser? This area once, this area twice. Now if this comes down and we lose $1.59, it ain't looking so hot. Just got the book. Thanks, Professor. You're welcome. I try to pronounce these names, but y'all killing me with these names. Massimo. Previous all-time high. What the freak? That was at like $3 and something cents. Going short, knock, knock, boom. All right, so that's the case. Now, let's talk about it, right? The CEO, I did the technicals. I'll talk about the fundamentals when it comes to XRP. The CEO is close with TRUMP. A lot of banks are going to use XRP to have faster. It's like the, what do I call it? Some of you might not know what this is, but the banking system that does digital transactions is called SWIFT. So XRP could do some of that transfer much faster and better than Swift. So again, if these things do get implemented, what the freak is $2? $10, $20, $30 XRP. But the point is, you have to understand, almost every coin I'm going to go over tonight is down. Who can tell me that? Like, you guys should know some of these things. Like, I know I'm going to give you the answer, but you guys should know some of these things. Why is every coin, I just went over XRP, I just started. Why is everything going to be down? Let's see who knows. First, I'm sorry I'm late. Set alerts. Set alerts. No one should be late. Set alerts. Come on now. The team drops these on the live schedules. My vlogs are scheduled. By the way, vlog drops tomorrow. You guys, some of you are watching, some of you are not watching. My thing is, the vlogs have live trading, lifestyle, talk about everything, mindset, how I live my life. Isn't that what you people want? Trade P&L breakdowns, a whole 9 yards. There you go. Syria. These usernames. S123 Syria. It's because Bitcoin is down. Very good, everybody. Bitcoin is the reason everything is happening. Just so we're clear. Just so we're clear. Now, who's panicking or who's panic selling because of all this? Tell me in the chat. Who's panic selling because of all this? As you're answering that, I want to comment on something, right? You know, a lot of you don't take trading seriously. And if you quantified it, like, how many of you made $100 trading today? How many of you made $200? $300, $400, $500. Let's just stick to $500. No, a doctor's salary is between $500 and $700, right? So this is $700, right? Now let me ask you a question. Let me ask you a question. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. $700 is an average doctor salary. How many of you made $700 but didn't hit sell and lost your account today or lost money today because you didn't hit sell because you were up $700 and said, nah, I want more? But if I put $700 in your hand and said, here you go, you would hit sell. You ever think of that? Virtual money and physical money. I'll be watching the vlog. Alfredo, you the man. You always watch and comment. The vlog is awesome. It has hidden golden nuggets everywhere. Thank you, Francis. How do I get the vlogs? They're on the YouTube. They're on the YouTube, bro. Just go on the YouTube. May God help us. Not me. People that look at the news, no panic selling yet. Look. 800 are people who react to news. No panic. $152 today. Shout out to you, baby step. Can you go put a real name there, bro? Jesus. I did, made a little bit. LOL, great day though. Can't complain. I've done it before. So, what you need to understand is, don't let the news get to you. The elites use the news to influence you to sell so they can buy. But that's a side conversation. XRP, let's go back into it. Again, for those watching on Instagram, TikTok, X, I'm live on YouTube. Comments are over there, not here. So, like I said, if we get below this, close, problems. Get below this, tumble, it falls, ladies and gentlemen. Tumble, it falls. But if you believe in XRP, like some people believe in Bitcoin or Ethereum, then you stick to it. But overall, as of now, it's not looking good. But if you believe in it, go for it. Go for it. All right. Next one. What's the next ticker? I saw all the vlogs throughout the past week. I enjoyed it. Thank you, Eric. Appreciate it. Eric's been with me since day one. Day one. He took the mentorship when it was virtual during the virus. Eric, what did you like about it? What did you like about the vlog? I like your opinion. All right, next one. FET. FET has been, unfortunately, a big disappointment. Big disappointment. FET, big spikes, down. Big spike, down. Spike, down. It has just been on a continuous downwards trajectory. By the way, Nah, I'm not going to talk about it. I'm going to go on a rant. I don't want to go on a rant right now. 5 green days in a row. Halfway through the eval. Let's go, Francis. Let's go. So, Fed has just been on this downwards trend. It's a sad state of affairs, man. It's a sad state of affairs. That's it. I got nothing good to say about Fed as of now. Nothing good. Let's go back a little bit. Let's go on a higher time frame. Let's go to monthly. We are back. We're almost back in the previous historical lows. We're almost back on previous historical lows. This is what I would tell a lot of you. Hey, Professor, a bit late, but I'm here now. Stop being late, Greg. Do that rant. Jason Bartle from New Zealand. New Zealand? Or Australia? I'm pretty sure New Zealand. Pretty sure. Do the rant. I already forgot what the rant was, Jason. I already forgot what sometimes they come and I'm like, I don't want to, and they go away. But point being, opportunity cost is the conversation that you need to understand. I know a lot of you are probably holding bags you don't like. We gotta find, all right, I'm about to go on a rant. Jason, I was not gonna do it, but damn you, Jason. Listen, people. For the love of God, we have to learn to let go of bad moments, bad memories. I'm using an analogy to convert about stocks or crypto. We gotta let it go. The amount of people on my stories that mentioned, what is it? What was that? Polygon? What was the ticker for Polygon? POL, yeah, but what was it previous? Someone remind me? What was the ticker of Polygon before they converted over? Come on, brain. What the freak? People. I spoke about Polygon years ago, and I said that's enough. That's enough. In like the 80s, I said cents. That's enough. But the amount of... Y'all can't let it go. Matic, thank you. Thank you. I don't know why. Bro, I told you to let go of Matic a long time ago. How are we still on a ticker that I mentioned years ago is finished? Done. But the amount of people, my stories, Polygon, Matic. Polygon is Matic. Matic, Paul. Bro. If you can't let go of something like that, when I mentioned it years ago, how do you trade? In general, how do you trade anything if you just can't let it go? It makes no sense to me. It is nearly impossible for me to leave them and go far away. I don't know what you're talking about. Oh, I missed some messages. Holy moly. My bad, bro. I'm very well made and edited. Thank you, Eric. Your team did an amazing job. Thank you. Also, to see your point of view of being in a trade without looking at people commenting. True, Eric. True. Hurst, hello. I got the books a while back. Have you thought about doing any more virtual mentorships? No, Hurst. Nothing gets me more upset than the word virtual classes. There are many of us like myself, who care for 2 kids and a disabled wife. I understand, bro. I get it. But no, I'm sorry, bro. I get it, Hurst. I get your predicament. I get messages like this all the time. Gotta take care of my parents, my kids. I get them, but bro, I just no. Maybe periodically do virtual mentorship for those who are unable to. Hurst, we gotta move on, baby. We gotta move on from the virtual classes. We gotta move on. Back to the lecture. How will you forget trading? Let's forget trading. How will you be consistent in a day-to-day life if you hold on to things? You know what I'm saying? For example, if you're driving and someone cuts you off, you hold on to it, you cut them off, then what do you call it? Man, I don't drive, bro. What do you call that when people hit the brake check? People brake check you. And then you try to pull them over. And those videos of the people taking out bats and punching mirrors. Ladies and gentlemen, those scenarios don't end well. They don't. You have to learn to let it go. You don't think bad things happen to me throughout my day? Let it go. You know how pissed I was today? I'm going to tell you a story. I was going to do a recording for my mentorship students where I took a trade earlier today. I made a little bit. But with Tradeovate, goddamn them to hell, after a certain amount of time, it takes away the trades, like the executions, the arrows, takes them away. I was hyped all day. I'm like, yay, this is a great, I'm going to show the multiple time frames. I'm going to show how I caught the bottom after a bloodshed, like literally tick to tick bottom, I caught it. And it went away, and I was pissed, but I wasn't going to sit there going, I ain't doing the live, screw the live, I'm a punch. So I'll make a live trading video next week just for the secret Instagram. We have to let go. This is some of you are, I'll prove it. I'll prove it. Watch this in the chat. Again, X, TikTok, Instagram. Stop commenting. Go on YouTube and comment. Not here. Listen, I'll prove it. Watch this. How many of you are holding on to stocks, crypto, that I said are garbage and get over it and sell it, but you never did? Don't lie to me. Flood the chat. It's 1 a.m. in Europe, Professor. Appreciate you showing up, Greg. Thank you for everything. You only see my P&L for today. What's up, Chris? I miss you. It's all good. It is what it is. Just figured. I appreciate Hurst, but that's enough. We got to move on. God bless you, Professor. God bless you, bro. I'm up today. LUNC. Nice. Rage. Then that becomes road rage. Correct. Sounds like NQ or maybe GC. Let's go. I'll prove it. I'll prove it. Or maybe something I haven't mentioned. Maybe something that you know you shouldn't be in, but you're in. Tell me in the chat. Let's see. Are people still commenting on the Instagram? I got people requesting to go live. Oh my God. We got 2.4 thousand likes on TikTok. Whoa. That's so cool. That's so cool. That's so cool. People on Instagram, stop commenting. Instagram. I ditch all the penny stock, crypto, and stocks. No garbage here. Options. RTX. Miss you, bro. See you soon, hopefully. God willing. Hey, Professor. Good morning from Hong Kong. What up, Simon? Simon? What you doing in Hong Kong? What's up? I love seeing my mentorship students' pictures. I love it. I love it. The chart and me and you. I love seeing the. Thank you for changing the pictures, guys. I love seeing you guys. Luke's picture with me and him fighting. I love it. How come TikTok is so high? Because, Alfredo, the TikTok algorithm pushes live over videos and anything else. They love the live feature for some reason. Fed been going down ever since I got it. Should I move on? I don't feel like holding on to it. Just exactly how you're saying. Hamza, I'll talk. How about this? Remind me at the end. I'll tell you what to convert it into. I got you at the end. Tell me at the end, Hamza. Not right now. Towards the end. When I start talking about Bitcoin, Hamza, you have permission to flood. Nobody else. You will get blocked. Hamza, if I don't see your message, flood the chat so I could see that message. And I got you, bro. I'll tell you what to. Excuse me. I'll tell you what to convert it over. Me. Tony says me. Hello. Do you understand what I'm saying? Tony, what are you stuck in that you refuse to sell? What are you stuck in? Tell me. Because we have to convert some of these things over. Not everything works out in our favor. So that's the story with Fed. All right, next one. Doge. Now, you know what's interesting? I posted a video when I was in my driver's car, right? I posted a video about Doge, and someone says, why do people invest in meme coins? And I'm going to show you why. Let's talk about Doge. Let's talk about Doge. Ready? Let's go into the market. Pump, bloodshed. Massive sideways. Little pump here, massive sideways. big pump here, downtrend, massive move. Let me ask a question. Let's keep going, then I'll ask the question. After a massive pump sideways, do you see, page 41, do you see a common trait? What is this? Doge. Do you see a common trait amongst the tickers? What's the common trait? Only holding tickers that you talk about. Oh God, Tony. Tony, I'll ask an honest question because you know I love you. Tony, let me ask you a question. Did I not say to sell Matic a long time ago and move on? Did I not say that? Number one, tell me if I said that. Then we'll continue. I just hopped out to click like, smash the thumbs up. Thank you, Luke. Stages, head and shoulders? No. Clear stages, clean trends. So that's one part of it, right? Let's keep going. The stages, page 41. So now the next question I'm going to ask you is, okay, let's try to fit in as much of Doge as we can. And then let's expand. Cool. Let me ask a good question. No. Wrong button. Ticker is Doge. Don't make fun of my G's. Everyone makes fun of my G's. For these two spikes to happen in Doge, do you think it was good news or bad news? You're about to get a masterclass of fundamentals, news manipulation, and the elites that mess with you. So you're about to get a masterclass in human psychology. If you didn't know, now you know. You said to sell Matic at least a year ago. Correct. You did say that. I remember you did the death ceremony thing on the live. Stargazer, look at your memory. Look at your memory. I literally did a eulogy. And people are still flooding my story boxes of Matic. And I'm like, Marshall says bad news? Marshall. Buy the rumor, sell the news. You said that about a year or so ago. Buy the rumor, sell the news. Good news. Now, where do you think was the best time to buy? When the news was good? Or when the news is bad? When is the best time to buy? You did. I bought before you said that. I'm waiting to break even. Okay. Now my next question, Tony. Don't say it's to break even. What? I love Tony so much. If you guys don't know, you've probably seen him in my video stories. He's the one that looks like a LA gangster type. The way he talks. The funny videos. It's Tony Flowers. Good news to lure the retail, the liquidity, correct. Bad. Matic is the most money I made quick in a month. I went up $2 grand, I got PTSD. That's why, Tony, I get it. Bro, I got you. I made 6 figures off of Matic. And I documented the whole thing. I did a live, I did a whole breakdown, I had a mental breakdown. I made 6 figures on Matic. So I understand, Tony. Nobody understands more than me. Like, my tax bill was very heavy on Matic's returns. You know I went in massive position on it. But I moved on. We got to move on. The best time to buy is bad news. So what do you think is happening on the news right now? What's the news right now on everything crypto related? Yeah, I'm gonna start bleeding in a second. Freaking, I keep cutting myself on the smart board. There has to be a way to Freaking, why would you make a board stand with the sharpest edges on earth? Holy moly, I cut myself bad. Companies, bro, so stupid. Sometimes it's best to stick to Bitcoin and just buy that for long term. That's one perspective. That's one perspective. But I need you to understand the things I'm saying to you, right? The media manipulates you, plays with you. Who controls the media? A handful of elites. Oh, we're about to... freaking hell. Listen to me. I'm going to say this in a nice way. I'm not going to go crazy saying this. The media is like, I don't want to do it, but I got to do it. What the freak, smart board? All right. The planet. What's the name of our planet, Tony? What's the name of our planet? Planet Earth. Okay. It's controlled by one group of people. Who are these people? I'm not getting in trouble, so I'm not going to say who they are. But you know who they are. This one group of people run banks. The bankers charge interest loans to who? Everyone. They have a hold of nations across the world. They give them money. Here you go. Charge them insane amounts of interest that they won't be able to pay back, and then come back and take over their resources. Okay? These people also control the media, your food, your life. Okay? Why do I have to rant time? Yay, people get excited about these rants. Jesus, peace be upon him, on record, I love when people say he wasn't real. Like, what? Jesus wasn't real? That was a real person, bro. He was a real guy. Jesus, the one time he got angry was when he went into the temple and they were charging everybody. There was a line in the temple for interest. He picked up a broom and said, get the hell out of the church. Well, it wasn't a church. Sorry, Christians. Jesus was Jewish. He's a different branch of Judaism. Christians, I'm going to get people, they're going to get pissed at this one now. And he got pissed about it because charging interest, why are most of the planet in debt? Tony, Earth. Why? Because we owe a lot of money to all these people. When America pays back its debt, it's mainly paying back its interest on that loan. To who? Let's not get into this conversation. But this one group of people control all of it. And how do they manipulate you? By controlling your fear. Fear is the most powerful emotion to manipulate you. Because when you are scared, what do? You don't think straight. I think I spelled that wrong. You don't think straight. And when you don't think straight, you do stupidity. I spelled that wrong. I don't care. You do stupidity. They keep you in a constant state of war. I said too much. Okay, let's go back. I gotta go back because I'm trying to not get in trouble. Did I get in trouble yet? I mean, TikTok always bans me. Let me see. TikTok. What up, TikTok? We still got people commenting on Instagram. May God help us all. Okay. Do you know why there's wars in Ukraine? Why there's wars in the Middle East? Why there's about to be a war in Venezuela? It's not about freedom. It's not about drug cartels. It's not about democracy. It's not about Muslim Jews. It's not about land. It's about money conversion. They take the money out of the country, spend it over there, clean it, and then put it back in their pockets. It's a money control operation. So when they keep you in a constant state of fear, you don't think straight, you do stupidity, so they control the news. Jim Cramer comes on, this stock is great, and 2 days later, that stock collapses. Jim Cramer is a puppet of the elites. Do you not understand that you are controlled? The media, if you go into the rabbit hole, it is like a goddamn hydra. You know what you should watch over the weekend for you to understand if you haven't? Captain America 1 or 2? I think it's 1. Hail Hydra? I think Hail Hydra. Whatever the Hail Hydra movie is, I think it's number 1. Hydra is literally that group that controls everything. They're shadowy. Let's not say too much. I'ma get in trouble. Don't say it, fam. Honestly, I want to know the story of who's behind it. Yeah, you ain't finding out here. KW said too much. You're still good, Professor. I know. War lines their pockets. Behold, a pale horse. Milton William Cooper. So damn true. Jim Cramer index is hilarious. Reverse Cramer for sure. So, point being, no, this is why the media, the traditional mainstream media, is failing across the board. Nobody trusts them anymore. And that's why people come to alternate sources. X, YouTubers, literally. I got people messaging me that have been watching me for years saying, I didn't know fluoride was bad for you. My dentist said fluoride's good. And then I'm like, what? Hitler put fluoride in the concentration camps to dumb down, calm people down. Do you understand what I'm saying? Whenever you think the GOVT, when you think they're doing something good for you, do the opposite. When they say Honey Nut Cheerios and whatever the free Kellogg's is good for you and steak is bad for you, you better start eating a steak a day. When they say butter is bad and soybean oil is good, you better take a shower in butter. And this is the best part of this lecture, people will piss that I say this as well, because it breaks this artificial reality, this protective bubble they live in, to think that they are actually caring about you. They put fluoride in the water to calcify your pineal gland, your third eye as the Hindus would call it, because it makes you dumb down, not focused on God, degeneracy. Do you not understand? The more you dive in the rabbit hole, the more you realize the world, unfortunately a lot of people, the devil runs the world, baby. The devil runs the world. Let's get back to the charts. Stream shot. You're right, bro. You're right. Thank you. All right, no more. I said too much. Listen, I love Joe Biden. I love the Democratic. By the way, I say this, people get upset. Human race, fascinating. See, I'm not going to say I hate the human race. I'm not going to say that anymore. Human race is fascinating. I love Joe Biden. I love Kamala Harris. I love the Democrats. See, I'm saying the right words. I can't get in trouble. YouTube is controlled by the blue team. Blue team, I support you. I support you. I support you, blue team. I support you. Thank you, bro. Thank you for letting me know. I ain't trying to get in trouble. You talk a lot unnecessary, dude. You guys see what I'm saying in the chat? Like, look at what Nero Mirage says, right? Look at that. Everyone, you talk a lot unnecessarily. Look at that. See what I mean? This is the beautiful thing about these lives. This is the best part about these lives. I can talk about whatever I want, right? And that person, Nero, he's such a low frequency individual. He thinks this is not connected to the overall lesson. Do you see what I'm saying? Now, me talking like that, I gotta get him to unsubscribe. I need that guy off. I can't have him buy a book. I can't have him watch the free course. I definitely can't have buy him a mentorship. People like that should be wiped off the face of the earth. Like, look at that. Look at what everyone says. Shut up, Nero. Professor's a crib. Block him. Always the best. Block him. Look. Guys, I know. You guys, majority of the chat is the best. He gotta go, Professor. Bro, I know. Block him. I know. That's what I'm trying to say. This is the best thing I like about my lives. YouTube, my classes, my stream. These type of humans are the ones that be wiped out when things go wrong. Do you understand what I'm saying? I like this part. He's a slave. I'd buy a book on all this. I block you. Thank you, bro. Thank you, Nero. Please unsubscribe And please block this channel. Thank you, bro. I appreciate it. You saved me some time. Thank you. I like this guy. He's gonna block me. I love it. Look at that. Look at that. Yo, Niru, shout out to you, bro. This dude needs to fly off. I love how 99% of the chat hates Niru at the same time. I love it. That tells you that this chat is high frequency and Niru is a low frequency human being that I don't know how he exists. Poor guy's mother probably hates him. It's a sad state of affairs, Niru. Your parents, bro, think about them sometimes. You must be a failure of a human. All right, seems you need to be cuddled. Yeah, he needs to be cuddled, Ulysses. Probably too much cuddling. Do you think crypto has a strong correlation with astrology? Yeah, I don't go into astrology. I don't go into astrology. Do you think crypto has a strong... Crypto vibes? Don't spam the chat. Don't spam the chat. You go hard, Professor. These people can't handle the truth. Never. I told you before I spoke the truth, Nico, that people will get triggered by things I say. But that's the best part. See, sometimes I don't like going on the tangents, but I do. Because I need someone like Niru to stay away. Like me acknowledging that he's a low frequency pathetic of a human, right? Think of this, right? Check this, check this. It prevents problems for me later. I can't have low frequency people in my classes. It becomes a problem. No amount of money is worth having a human like Niru around me. It'll mess up the vibes. It'll mess up the vibes. It just will. It just will. That's what I'm just saying. This man is talking absolute facts. I appreciate you. MG Consulting Group. All right. So, what's the next ticker? What ticker is this? Doge? All right. So, back to the point. Because I had a people message me about this. They're called trolls. I know. I know. He left. He's not commenting anymore. The guy left. Poor guy. Poor Niru. I hurt his feelings. He's such a soft little boy. When I started seeing you, I understand the power of blocking. Oh, Marshall, you don't understand. You don't understand how much I love blocking. You don't understand. It's the greatest gift the elites have given us. Imagine you couldn't block these stupid humans? Oh, God. All right, Doge. Buy, sell. Why? Tell me in the chat. Tell me in the chat. These lives and this chat is so good for our sanity. Yo, Francis. By the way, Francis, are you a boy or a girl? Because Francis can go both ways. And I appreciate you. You've been active for the past like a week or two. You're new to me, so I appreciate you. But yeah, I'm going to be honest. Next year, March, will be 7 years of these lives. And they're good for my mental sanity. I'm just being honest. He wasn't on the same page 100%. Don't care to be liked. It's the best. Be who you are 100%. I like to not be liked. That's just the truth. I got your book, and even though I'm a profitable trading for the past 2 years, I started using your strategy at night because I didn't want to change what is working. Your strategy is very good. Thank you, Marcus. Appreciate it, bro. Wait for that support level and buy. Buy is near resistance. Ah, boy. Got you, Francis. Buy when it comes to stage 1 right now, since everyone else is fear about crypto. Well said, Eric Rico. Eric Rico, well said. When there is fear, you buy. Buy the book, Confession of Economic Hitman, is mind-blowing. Trade level to level, buy on levels, dollar cost average. Wow, 7 years, yeah. March next year, John. March next year will be 7 years of online streaming. 13 years of teaching. 13 years, but 7 of online. I think so. Holy moly. That sounds crazy even to say 7. Wait for support. My bad about the double message. It's okay. Don't do it again. I've been watching 2 years on and off. Went all in on the DTP thing recently. Day trade. Why did you go all in on me, Francis? Why? Wait for reversal. Watching. Thanks. That's a great book. Bay, because it goes down. Bye. So point being, you wait for key levels. All right. And next, why is Doge one of the only meme coins? Let's be honest. It's a meme coin that's worth anybody's time. Professor, Please, can we have the levels you have on Doge? Okay. I've done this live a million times. It's the same levels, Akil. Go back and watch the crypto lives. It's the same levels, but okay. It's literally the same exact levels. Bring back the 2 a.m. lives. Oh no, Ronnie. Oh no. I love it. We used to go live till 2 a.m. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Holy moly. 7-hour lives, 8-hour lives. Yeah, we're not doing that. But 100%. Elon is the reason for this. So keep that in mind. Keep that in mind. Boom. Boom. It is back in that area. This looks like the reverse knock boom to the downside. Just be careful of that. Just be careful of that. Party all night long. Yeah, you guys remember. Ah, man, you guys' memory is good. You guys' memory is good. You know, it's crazy. March will be 7 years, right? Next year? What about the 10-year mark? The 20-year mark? The 30-year mark? I love doing this. If I didn't like doing this, I would have stopped a long time ago. That's why when I travel, I still go live on Instagram. By the way, for Christmas, when I'm in the Bahamas, I'm still going live, but on Instagram. Just so you know. Just so you know. Just because I'm not live here. You know what's fascinating? I wait for people to message and say, why aren't you live when I'm traveling? And on Instagram, while they've seen my story, block. I never block faster than I block there. I'm just being honest. I think it'll be 6 years. 6? 6. Okay, I knew something wasn't right. 6 years. Thank you, Eric. Correct. 6, not 7. I knew the number or something was wrong. What about Doge Lawn Mars token? Yeah, I'm not looking at that. Because our views align, the style of trading suits me. You've been down. Oh God, the spelling, Francis. You down to earth and genuine is something my wife spotted by listening in for a few minutes only, so she's supportive. Love your work. Shout out to your wife, Francis. Shout out to your wife. You still look the same. No, I don't, son. Rico, no, I don't. Bro, this gray didn't exist. Bro, go watch the live from 6 years ago. This didn't exist, the grays. Come on. No, I don't look the same. All right, next one, IOTA. Let's talk about it. Jesus, how much I gotta zoom in for this? Sacre bleu, bro. Goddamn. Goddamn. All right. Can you guys see? All right. Yo, we gotta hand it out to the smart board who's lasted so many years with us, bro. Shout out to the smart board. I'm just gonna be honest. It's lasted so many years. You know, we've changed so much content over the years, or streaming over the years. But the one thing, like this entire studio wasn't here, right? The one thing that has stayed. The one thing that stayed. Shout out to this smart board. It's still running good. What is interesting about IOTA? Who can tell me? LUNC, please, can you take a look? Waji? No. You gotta love autocorrect. I got you. 88K. Yo, the amount of people asking for 88 Cardano was wild. I ain't doing it. It sucks. Started following you and the cost was down. Waited for the right time. What a mistake. I'm getting in now. No more waiting. Price is going soon. God bless. Long stage 1. Shout out to the brick wall from the first time you went live. The brick wall. Eric, I'm so happy for your loyalty and friendship, bro. So many from the past have disappeared. So many. So I appreciate the loyalty. We went from the brick wall to this massive... How many screens? 3, 6, 9, 12. This massive, I think, what is this, 400 inches across the board together? I love it. Stage one. Hey, you were just cursing that board. Sometimes it delays. So, if you notice, after a massive stage one, massive pump. After a massive stage one. Now here's my conversation. You know I've never told you to buy and sell anything when it comes to this. You know, this is not financial advice. This is me guiding you on just what I see. So my question to you is, again, page 41. By the way, you guys should be recording my live, me teaching, the book open, and tagging me in your stories, folks. Y'all need to start doing that. I want to see you engaging with everything. When is the... Tell me. I remember the entries and... Damn, Akil, I didn't know you were that old watching me. I thought you were fairly new to me. I missed those entries and exit shows, but there was too many technical issues. Everybody's signal was dropping, delays, drama. It was too much. That had the most viewership. I think we hit 500 people on an Instagram live on that show once. That had the most views, but it was too many technical issues. In the middle of the thing, somebody's signal drops. It got blurry. I can't see. I was like, I'm done with this. First time seeing your live. Well, welcome, Alan. Welcome. I screenshot a lot. My average price is 13 cents. Nice. Wow. Wow, what a good price. Anytime now. Break above resistance now. That was the best. Stage 2. No, not stage 2. Stage 1. Can someone tell me what the... Alan, what does the cat in the box emoji mean? I've never seen that before. Back in the sofa was the golden era. Fran remembers the butt naked on the couch lives. Good times, Fran. Good times. It took an hour just to get 2 p. Yeah. Oh, Eric. Eric, thank you to you. I hope you stay with me for 100 years, Eric, because I need you in the live sometimes. It took an hour just to get 2 people on the show. 100%. That's the reason I stopped doing it. To this day, I get people saying, please bring back the entries and exits. If you don't know what that was, it was the hottest show I did with the most viewership and the most engagement of all time. It was, I would bring on 2 traders on Instagram. I would pull up random charts, go back, erase the data, and replay it as if it was real. And they had to trade, make levels, trends, entries, all of it, while I guided them. It was the hottest show. But like Eric said, it took forever. It was nothing but problems. Nothing but problems on that. I was so happy to end it. Like, if something gives me like, I enjoy coming and helping and teaching, right? I'm being botted again? Hey, I'm being botted again. I enjoy coming on live and teaching and helping people, right? But if it becomes annoying, frustrating, a headache, it has to go. It just has to go. Like, I only put up with nonsense until a certain degree, until I won't do it again. It's that simple. FYI, I used to go live 4 times a week. 4. Y'all weren't tuning in. I cut it down to 2. Now, because we have a massive pump, yup. Look in the past, yup. Now's the best time. First time I see you. I watched that. Actually, that was pretty cool. Wow, do it again on pro mode. Pretty long, but worth it. It was a great show. Hello from Closer School. Put some tape over that sharp edge. Oh shit, that's a good idea. Who said that? Thank you, Roping Surfer. That's a good idea, bro. Thank you. I'm gonna get some duct tape and put it there. Thank you. You even tried it on YouTube, but Zoom was annoying. Zoom? Oh, Eric, don't make me go on a rant how much I hate Zoom. Zoom glitches was non-stop. I had to stop doing it. Do a pre-recorded video of that? Nah. Logging off the PC, we'll hop back on in a minute on the phone. Gotta take the daughters to birthday party. I got you. Lots of drama, lots of drama. I watched some of those on Instagram when you sometimes save those lives, and yes, I've been following you, but all in this year. Oh, you just got serious now. I got you. I saw one video last week, and it's like having you in a class. It helps a lot. Thank you, Professor. You're welcome. Los Paris. I start with you now. Again with the cat. Alan, what does that mean? Alan, if you don't tell me what the cat in the box emoji means, you got 5 minutes. I'm going to block you. I'm just being honest. I've been gone for a year, but man, I learned something new today. I will never take advice and actually do the opposite of Kramer and the other anchors of the 100%. I can't believe the chicken guy. It was good. I can't believe the chicken guy. What chicken guy? All right, you're right. The best time to buy is now. Page 41. 100%. Sound good, Professor. I'm so excited to see you on the next mentorship. Yusuf? Oh yeah, you signed up for January, right, my man? By the way, the mentorship, the next one is January 2026. January 1st, the prices go up drastically. Keep that in mind. Prices go up. The power of blocking. Yo, they get pissed, Marshall. When I block someone, they get pissed and they bot me. These people, I don't want to talk about it, but I'll mention it because I know they're watching for me to react to their botting. Listen, you stupid idiots. What don't you understand? When you bot me with fake viewers, the YouTube algorithm on the For You page of YouTube shows thousands of people watching. People that will never engage, that are just, ghost followers, will actually tune in, like something I said, and now they stick around. You are helping me, you morons. You're so stupid. You think you're hurting me. You're not. I've been botted for 6 years. I get botted regularly. This is not. You're so stupid. You're like so stupid. All right. IOTA heat map shows short stack to 12. With about right for a squeeze. No duct tape. It dries with a nasty time. Get some edge guards. What the hell is that? I gotta Google that. Long liquidation cluster near there, roughly 31 minutes. So I stock entries below that pocket. So you're saying you want to get it below 9? Well, 10 cents, 9 cents, same thing. The inventor of autocorrect just passed away. Okay. Condolences to him. Alan's emojis looks like a cat watching the biggest cat watcher. January 21st is my birthday. Nice, friend. You're the man. I might be in Barbados. Barbados? I don't know. I'm going somewhere at the end of January as well. I don't know where I'm going, actually. I forgot. Don't even let them take more of your time. Every time you talk about the losers, they win. And I know, Vince. All right, so point being, after a lot, boom. If there's one thing you can learn from this live, just one thing. One thing. Just one thing you can learn. Stop buying here. Stop buying here. Buy here. Buy here. Buy in these areas. Professor, you said that at February mentorship, you'll be taking the students to the New York Stock Exchange, correct? I'm aiming to come to that just so I can sign up before the price goes up. Hamza, okay, all right, let me clarify. The February mentorship is live trading. A week-long event of live trading, okay? January mentorship, the end of January, is the 3-day mentorship of learning of live trading. February is just live trading. So if you sign up to January, you get like 70% off of February. And yes, I'm taking you to Wall Street. I'm getting a party bus. My driver, Roberto, we're getting a big party bus, the ones you see me with in the morning, in the afternoon when I'm out. Roberto drives me around. I'm taking all of you in there, and we're going to New York Stock Exchange in February. So yeah, clarifying. Am I still live on TikTok? Did I say too much? We're still live. No, X has. Okay, X has ended. That's fine. I don't care about X. I don't care about X. What's up, TikTok? I'm live on YouTube, guys. 2.5 thousand likes on TikToks. I'm over there. So, point being, if there's the one thing you can learn from me, boom. What happened to your assistant? She moved to Florida. Something happened with her brother. I'm not going to say on the live. So she moved back to Florida. The one that lived in the house? That one. But I still got assistance. Grotto Beach, Barbados, and look at the moon. Friend, don't be saying that in the chat. People know my location. I don't know if I'm going. Actually, cancel that. I don't know where I'm going. It ain't Barbados. I said too soon. I said too soon. I'm going to some island. I said too soon, but IOTA. There you go. Yo, I've been live for over an hour. How many tickers did I cover? Holy moly! Holy! Please tell me I covered half the tickers. 4. All right. Okay. Almost. All right. Next ticker, ETH. Let's go. You need to come to Queenstown, New Zealand. Maybe one day. Damn! Look at this. Look at this. You notice I make levels in gold now, yellow gold, because in Mexico it was messing with the light. I could see it better. I still got my old. Oh man! I still got my blue levels from Ethereum, and I wonder if they still play out. I wonder if they still play out. Do my Ethereum levels still work? Do my Ethereum levels still work? And people say levels don't work. All right, this ticker is ETH, and people say levels don't work. Fran took the comment back. Fran, you are missed. I hope you're doing well. You're missed. I hope your daughter's doing good. You are missed. All right, so ETH, as you can see, you notice knock, page, whatever knock knock booms on. Knock knock, the explosion. Remember what I told you? Study the knock knock boom. Levels right on point to the T. 100%. I thought levels don't work, but I know. So you notice? You notice? Explosion. Keep your eye on that, guys. Guys, this book, if you're broke, that's fine. Oh, what the hell? I just noticed. What the hell is this? I just noticed this. Oh, one of the iPhones is on the. Oh man, I hate when it looks like that.
Candles, levels,
what the hell?
multiple time frames.
Is that the TikTok? Oh, it's the TikTok one. I gotta fix that. All right, TikTok, I gotta fix this. Hold on. I don't like when it looks unprofessional. All right. Cool. If someone ever notices the video's off, tell me. Tell me. Wow, even the old levels are amazing. I did write the book on it. The Master of Levels, I tried. What's up with Saul? Did I talk about Saul yet? Are you late? Do you want to get blocked? Gizier, whatever the hell that name is. You know what's funny? It's like I'm gonna go on a rant. I'm going on a rant. You know what's funny? I'm teaching a lesson. It's like, guys, 1 + 1 is 2. But what about 5 × 5? Who's talking about 5 × 5? Who? But keep that in mind. Right now, here are your levels. Bro, you can go watch any crypto live and these levels still work. But here's your levels. What a perfect touch. 2,726. 3,283. 3,675. There. You did not talk about Saul yet. No, I know, but I'm going to. That's what I'm saying. I already mentioned all the tickers. I'm going to. Do you ever use spider lines? I don't know what the hell a spider line is. What the hell is that? Something new? Something new always popping up, baby. Something new always popping up. Next. There you go. Those are the levels to watch for. So now, if you notice, what happens after major moves? Sideways, fall. Move, sideways, fall. Major move, sideways, fall. Please answer. Yo, bro. How about I answer you by blocking you? Listen, I know you're gonna get offended and make a big deal. How do you mark levels? Guys, should I block this Jay Goozier guy? Should I block him? Should I block him? I don't like when people say, please answer. You talk to your girl like that? Get the book, G, Goozer, everything's in it. Everything's in the book, correct. I'm waiting for ETH to pull back and clear direction to buy. What time frame for levels, Professor? It's in the book. Marshall says block him. I love when you guys just say block everyone. I'm gonna be honest. I love when you all want me to block everybody. I agree. What time frame for levels? This book shows you how to do it. This book shows you how to do it. The batteries fell out? No. That's my favorite button. The block button. No, I wanted to say you're blocked. All right. I guess I have to say it. You're blocked. What are you going to do? He's spamming. Get the book. Is it safe for trading everything? Yes, the book covers everything, bro. The book covers everything. But wait for this to go sideways. We might go higher. So wait for this to go sideways. But if you notice, it likes to stay in this area the entire time. All the way back. It went below it this one time. And then ever since, stayed above. Oh, here's the level. Boom. No, let him stay? Okay. I'll let him stay. What is the best ticker to practice on trading view as the beginning trader before joining class? MNQ. MNQ. Block him. You guys are so funny. You guys are so funny. But yeah, it follows typical patterns. Ethereum. Stay on that. Stay on that. I love the chat. I'm not gonna lie. I absolutely love the chat. We get a weirdo once in a while, but you know, it's still pretty funny. ETH, heavy long liquidity, 2000, about cluster, short liquidity stacked. Appreciate that info, Vincent. All right, next one, Bonk. Oh shit. Bonk with the old levels. Bonk with levels I made I don't know when. You would have to go watch some videos and tell me, but you know it's funny? I know it's old because of the blue line. That's the only way I know that these levels are old. Alright. Bonk is a meme coin. Now, looks like it's about to break and go below record lows. A friend wants me to block him right to the T. Can you block Bonk, please? Is someone named Bonk? Damn! Right on it, Simon from Hong Kong. Spider lines, weekly log scale on Bitcoin. Use April. Okay, cool. We'll get it blocked. Thank you. We'll get it booked. We'll get it booked. You're welcome, bro. Yeah, get the book. Get the book. Use the code VLOG, VLOG, and get a discount, bro. There you go. We unblock him. He's buying a book. Hey, yo, even after a little abuse, I like you, bro. I like you, G Goozer. I like you. Even after a little abuse, he stayed. That's a strong man. You think he's gonna go and bot me? He's gonna go pay to bot me? Think his learning just like me and always being confused. Levels still holding strong. I thought levels don't. That's what I said, Luke. Levels don't work. The con bonk coin. All right, Salo, what's up, baby? Should I sell Fat Professor? Wait, not yet. Not yet. Let me get to Bitcoin. We'll talk about it. So Bonk is holding here. If Bonk goes below, shit, yo, bro, this has too many zeros. This has too many zeros. So I'm just gonna say 940. A million. I'm not writing a million zeros. If this gets below, get rid of it. But if it holds and pops, go for it. Go for it. Because if you notice, what happens every time? But let's see who's paying attention. Area, pop. Area, pop. But it's touched this area now the third time. So what's most likely to happen? Tell me in the chat. Let's see who's paying attention. The big book is gold. Read it 100 times. Thank you. Yeah, every single time I read the book, I learn something new. I appreciate it. Well, that's why I wrote the books. That's why I wrote the books, to free you from the signal chats, from the 20-year-old kids running discords. That's why I wrote them. Literally to free you from all the children on social media. This is not the best time to sell crypto. Good time to, yeah. You don't sell after drastic falls, correct. Boom to the downside, the other boom. Yo, the other boom, correct. The other boom. The reverse boom. The reverse knock knock boom, correct. So be very careful if you're in Bonk. Be very careful. This could just go boom. Be very careful. Boom. Alright, that's Bonk. Next one. I wonder if it's yellow or gold. Which color are we about to be? Hey, we're back to blue. Alright, XLM. You know I like XLM. You know I like XLM. Alright. Hamza, are you in the chat, Hamza? I don't see Hamza. Are you in the chat? For anyone doubting about getting the book, just how he explains to use RSI and the time frame will get you up to speed so fast. If you're disciplined, the information is worth it. Thank you, Marcus. Thank you. You know, should I say it? No, I'm not going to say it now. I was going to say something, but I'm not going to say it now. I'm going to wait a year to say it. Let's talk about Bitcoin. Jesus, I'll talk about Bitcoin when I feel like talking about Bitcoin. Don't say what I should talk about. I'll talk about it when I want. Understood? Alright, Hamza's here. Hamza's here. Hamza, listen up, bro. This is XLM. Okay? I like XLM. So this is what I want you to do, Hamza. I'm talking to Hamza. Hamza, I love Hamza. He's a great student. He's not a mentorship student yet, but he's a great guy. You're going to take your FAT. Hamza, do not sell your FAT. You're going to convert it to XLM on Coinbase Pro or One, whatever the hell they call themselves now. Okay, Hamza? Because XLM is a nice mover. I'll give you the levels of XLM. Hamza, you said you're going to sign up for the mentorship. Don't sign up. DM me. DM me before you sign up, please. I don't want you getting caught in that massive price increase January 1st. So DM me today. All right? On the well, you're not on the secret Instagram, but on the regular Instagram tonight. Okay? The price goes up drastically. You're 19 years old, bro. You're going to get hit bad with that massive price increase on the mentorship classes. But do this. I like XLM too, yeah. Sangum, did I miss the FET? Yeah, you missed it. You're late. See, I like this guy, Saya. See, I like Saya. He said a nice greeting. He said, did I miss? He didn't say, go over FET. Do FET. He said, did I miss the FET? He missed it. Yeah, I did that a long time ago. So, boom. What else do you trade first time here? Bro, just go to the... By the way, I got a question for you, Jay Goozer. Didn't mean to come off as annoying. It's all good, bro. You're good now. You're good now. You're good. Welcome. First of all, I really have a good question. I'm going to be straight. What made you come to the live and watch it for the first time today? By the way, pay attention to the answer. Watch something I'm about to say. What made you watch this today for the first time? What was it exactly? What did you notice or do? Tell me, Jay Goozer. I know I'm saying that name wrong. Professor, do we wait for 0.19 hit before we buy? You can start slowly buying in as it's going there. Tell me what made you watch. I want a full description of that answer, because I think I know the answer. But XLM is awesome. Once it broke out of the zone, can you guys see the zone? Oh shit. Should I do the same thing, Professor? I'm holding most in FET. I'm not telling anyone what to do. I'm not telling anyone what to do. XLM shorts loaded at 0.41 and about long stacked at 0.20, about 9. Likely sweep to 21, then 20. If not, then 41 zone the magnet. So XLM, I'm just talking to Hamza. Vincent Ortega is just dropping some good info. I don't know if those are true or false, but he's dropping some good info. But I'm just talking to Hamza. You guys can, ladies and gentlemen, did I not teach you how to be independent? Hassan, Akil, Hamza is new to me. You boys have been with me for years, especially you, Hassan, all the way in Turkey. Do you understand what I'm saying? Why ask that question? I'm not annoyed. I'm just talking out loud. I've taught you to be independent for so many years. Why are we asking this question? You should know, after all this time has passed by, when to buy and sell, what key, all of that stuff. I'm talking to Hamza because he's just a 19-year-old kid who's brand new. I think he's only been with me for like less than a year, I think. I don't know. Time moves differently in my brain. But come on at this point. Come on at this point. So there you go. XLM, I like it. I like it. I'm a first-time viewer. I think the YouTube algorithm knows I'm a Christian crypto guy. But what does a Christian thing have to do with anything? By the way, see how the algorithm tonight is bringing more new people? We usually don't get that many. Do you know why, ladies and gentlemen? The people I'm blocking who are botting me are helping me with the algorithm. You're so stupid, you haters. You're helping me. You are not hurting me. This is what they don't understand. This is what they don't understand. Like, literally, you're helping me with the algorithm. I'm new here. You look handsome. Appreciate it, bro. 88, please, unless it's already been done. If we're entering a bear market. David, you're lucky you said, unless it's already been done. You're lucky. Because if you would have just said 88, please, you would have been blocked. I'm not doing 88. Garbage. I'm sick and tired of that coin. It is garbage. We have to let go of garbage coins. Let them go, Professor. Hey, Professor, what's your thoughts on ISO? Sydney? Sydney, you've been gone for a long time. Welcome back. The freaking digital book. God bless you, Sydney, getting the digital book. God bless you. This is what you need. Came up on my feed on YouTube. I told you. When you bought me, the algorithm pushes me up to people that are just watchers, that don't engage. New people, I'm old as Rip Van Winkle and have a weird, no, new people meaning new to the channel. Voto, new to the channel. LMAO, time moves differently. Well, it does. Time moves way differently in here, bro. Way differently. All right, XLM, I like it. Approved. 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 And it's almost the same price of FET. By the way, it's me, Ivan. Oh, shit. Wait, my Ivan from 6 years ago? The alcoholic Ivan? The smoker Ivan? The weed, the cigarettes? Is that Ivan? Because I know a few Ivans. Hard copy is the best. Did you happen to do ARB? No. All right, next sticker. Solana. Guys, stop being late to class. I did XRP, FET, Doge, IOTA, ETH, Bonk, XLM. Like, stop being late to class. It's so annoying. All right, next one. Solana, let's go. Oh, new levels. Finally. Finally. I'm craving pizza. No, I gotta be good. I've been so good. I'll be in the Bahamas in a couple weeks. No pizza. I'm craving. Yo. Have you guys had the stuffed crust pizza from down? I don't even, by the way, before someone says anything in the chat, I know. Has anyone had the stuffed crust pizza from Domino's? It is so good. Holy moly. Yes, I don't smoke anymore. Shut up. You gave up smoking, Ivan? Shout out to you, bro. Good job. Good job. Did you give up drinking too? Did you give up the alcohol? The alcoholic? That's a wonderful fight. What do you want me to tell you, Eric? Do you not remember Ivan in Puerto Rico? He was drunk almost every day. He was blasted. Don't you remember Puerto Rico, Eric? You were there. Ivan the alcoholic.
Just hit sell.
Just hit sell, Ivan. Just hit sell. Sorry to bother. Sorry, brother. I was working when you started tonight. It's okay. Pizza and cookies and more. No cookies. No, I'll be in the Bahamas, bro. I gotta get lean. I gotta get lean and cut. I'm trying being strong. The cookies are calling me, but I gotta be strong. Of course, that pizza is so good. Hell yeah. I did, and it's my go-to. LOL, I do. Okay, exactly, Eric. I did. Working on getting rid of drinking too. Proud of you, Ivan. Proud of you. I'll be in the Bahamas the last week of January. Me too. I'll be on some island, but I ain't saying which one. Ha ha ha, he's not wrong. I brought whiskey to the house and I got upset. Ivan, you know what's funny? I still remember that massive lecture I gave you. Massive lecture about bringing alcohol to the mansion. Massive lecture. It's okay, Ivan. The past is the past. The past is the past. The stuffed crust pizza from Pizza Hut is good. No. The stuffed crust pizza from Pizza Hut is the best from Pizza Hut. But the Domino's new one? Holy moly. I gotta stop talking about it, bro. I can't. I'm fasting tomorrow. I've been good. I do traditional Italian pizza, but I will order. Yeah. Friend, if you guys, if you haven't had the Domino's stuffed crust with extra cheese, no pepperoni, no pineapple, you Hawaiians, straight cheese. I do pan with Alfredo sauce and bacon. No bacon. Stop the bacon shenanigans. I make most of my pizza at home though, like tonight, but the stuffed crust, trust me, I know, Hurst, it's not easy to make. Salam, bro. How old are you? How do you maintain your hair? Crypto King. You know what's funny? I'm in a good mood. Usually I block somebody for asking that question, so I'm going to let it go because I'm in a good mood. But why does that matter? I'm talking about things. Why does any of that matter? Why? But I'll answer you. 38, and how do I maintain my hair? I don't know. I don't know what that means. My hair is a mess. But I don't know what that means. I haven't tried the Dom. Try it. Sounds like a cool dude. Let me stop. Tony, shut up. Shut it, Tony. Shut it. Sounds like a cool dude. Drinking and smoking, Tony, is not cool. Stop it. That's degeneracy. Stop it. Professor, what's up? Happy Friday. What's up, Peter? I appreciate you. Thank you for your instant access. Blessed to have crossed paths with you, little by little. One mentor, one God. Thank you, Peter. He's about to be 6 years old in March. Who's about to be 6 years old? I love your setup, man. Surprisingly, Domino's blew my mind away. Amazing. I appreciate insight. Yeah. Try it, Caesar. Try it. Nice breading, Professor, sometimes is good. Salt peeps. Big Short fuel at boom. He's asking a harmless question. Don't block him. No, I'm not blocking him. But I usually do. I usually do because I don't like personal questions. Like, why? Just ask me questions about making money. That's just me. I'm just being honest. I don't like personal questions. It means you have great hair and I'm interested. Bro, I don't do anything. Eric knows the type of gel I use. On the secret Instagram, I posted the pomade I use. Off the top of my head, I don't know. But I don't do nothing. Crypto news. I need English. Your setup is nice too. I'm glad bots were put onto you. Thank you, bro. Thank you. Yeah, these people are so stupid. So basically, Gazer, whenever I block somebody, they get angry and they bot me with fake likes, fake views. They just bot me. And it actually helps me. Domino stuffed crust or Dario's, of course, bro. If you ever come to New York, Dario's is number one. Dario's, number one. Nothing like Dario's. Domino's, bro, Dario's closed at like 9 o'clock. I ain't getting that. What's your thoughts on H-bar? All right, back to the charts. All right, what the freak ticker is this? All right, Solana, let's go. Shit, I shouldn't have been talking about pizza. Holy moly, that's all I can think about. I said I wasn't gonna do pizza. No, y'all doing this to me, man. Y'all doing this to me. I have to be good. I gotta be strong. I've been so good. I'm going to Bahamas. I gotta be cut up and lean. I can't. All right. Sorry. Focus. All right. Stage one, massive chop here. Massive explosion sideways. Same happened again. We were trending nicely. Sideways came down. We are back at a key level. $117 is that level. If you notice, it loves playing. The major level is $117. That is a major level. Block him? Who we blocking? Someone says something? No? Chat's clean. Professor, I'm new, but glad to have found you. Appreciate it, Caesar. Welcome. I'm looking at my ex that just notified me. I don't know what the freak on my ex is, bro. What the freak is that? What are your top 3 favorite free indicators? Everything is in this book. Everything is in this book. Everything you need is in this book. By the way, I'm going to say it. No, I'm not going to say it. I'm not going to say it. I want to say it, but I think it might cause problems. I got to think about if I want to say what I'm about to say. It might cause problems for me later on. Let me see. All right. I'll say it. I'll just block people if they annoy me in the DMs. All right, ready? This book is very close to being sold out. It's not marketing. I only speak the truth because I don't care if you like me or not. I don't do marketing. I say the wildest things. Trust me, there's no marketing here. This book's about to be sold out. I don't know when. But I'm telling you right now, when it does, it ain't coming back for over a year. It ain't coming back for over a year. I'm just letting you know now. I just gave the first warning. What's the date today? Because if some idiot DMs me saying, oh, I should have bought it when you told me about the warning, now it's sold out, I'm going to block them immediately. So December 5th. Okay. So I don't know when, but it's very close. In a couple months. Again, I don't control sales. They come and go. Sales up and down. We've sold thousands and thousands of these. But once this sells out, it ain't coming back for over a year. Over a year. So if you don't have it, and I'm going to eventually take down the digital version as well. I'm just letting you know. This is the first warning I've given now, officially. So if people don't listen and get blocked. And also, oh shit, I'm going to say this too. I'm just being honest. Once this gets restocked in a year from now, prices is going up 3x on this. I'm just telling you. 3x. 3x. I'm a man of my word. I'm a man of my word. How much, guys? Everything is in the description. Day Trade Professor. Day Trade Professor. Look at this massive planet. You might be a flat earther. You don't think the planet moves like this, but boom. Boom. Are we still live on TikTok? I've been saying too much craziness. Yep, TikTok took me out. I knew it. Whoa, 335 viewers. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go back live. Let's go back live on TikTok, baby. Let's go back. So, Solana, $117. $170. So, boom. Next one is 166, 238 on Solana. But keep your eye on it. How many of you have Solana? The best book there is. Thank you, Marshall. There's a copy-written version online. Just letting you know. It's all good. Sidebar question. It's okay. You said sidebar. So I respect that, Christian. I respect your wording. If it's okay, I see some traders posting at Wall Street inside the trading building. Can anyone... No. You can't just get in. You have to have connections and know people. It's like a need-to-know thing. But I'll be there for February. We're going to be getting a party bus. If you guys see me posted on my Instagram. My driver, Roberto, we're going to be trading on the party bus. We'll have the charts on the screen. There's TVs in the party bus. There's a freaking stripper pole. I hate that Roberto has that there, but you know, what are you going to do? People do degeneracy. You know, they go to strip clubs, bring the strippers, and then do their stripper business. But point being, yes, we're going in February. Shaw made it. We got to speak English. Is there a pattern to a lot of the tickers you have gone through today? A lot of them are currently... Yes, Eric. Very good. Good eye. Good catch on that. A lot of them are on key levels after a drastic drop in the market. Drastic. Me holding Solana, let's go. I'm so lucky to get those books. Got the best deal. You did get a good deal. Mentorship students get 50% off. Mentorship students, once you become a mentorship student, you get 50% off all the books for life. 50-50 on Sol and Bitcoin. No Sol for me. Head and shoulder. No Sol for me either. I got you. So, there's your levels for Sol. Boom. We're looking good above 117. Right now, it's 132. All right, next ticker. No. Don't leave. Okay. Next one, Bitcoin. Let's do it. Bitcoin. Pay attention now. Pay attention now. So let's go. You know what's interesting? I think I have to upset more people so they can bot me and I get new viewers. I might have to start being strategic. I might just start needing to go crazy on people so they can bot me and I get more viewers. I swear to God, it's genius. It's genius marketing. My haters are promoting me. Yo, these people, they might not be low IQ. They might be geniuses. What is this? Bitcoin. All right, here's the levels of Bitcoin. All right, I'm about to give a lecture. Pay attention. I'm about to give a lecture. Ready? Listen, everybody. Awake? Ready? Stop buying Bitcoin, okay? But stop buying it randomly. Buy it strategically. Do you know what I do on Coinbase? I have it set on auto buy. We have to differentiate something. We have to differentiate altcoins, meme coins, and Bitcoin. Bitcoin is the coin that'll last you till the day you die. Bitcoin is an investment. Bitcoin is like buying I don't know, a massive apartment complex that pays you rent. And what? I'm not a real estate guy, so if I mess up the words, forgive me. I'm not a real estate guy. What is it called when the asset of appreciating is not a depreciating asset. It's an appreciating asset. You do not just buy Bitcoin. You have it on auto buy. Whatever platform you're using, they have it. You could buy it weekly, bi-weekly, monthly. I have it set. I have a very little amount of it. Everything I have is a little bit. Everything I have is a little bit. Put it on auto buy, whatever you can afford. I don't know what you can afford. Whatever you can afford, go on Coinbase. Bro. I'm gonna talk to Hamza because I know he's one of the youngest ones here. Hamza, you're 19. What is okay for you to put in on Bitcoin auto buy? Like, what is okay for you? As a 19-year-old teenager who works a job, has family, well, you don't have a wife and kids, but you know what I mean. You support, you make money to pay your rent. You're here by yourself. Your mom and dad are in Pakistan. So you really have a little struggle time being here by yourself because, you don't have a family structure proper. So what is doable for you? 20 bucks? 30 bucks? 50 bucks? What is it? Answer that question. Answer that question. There are levels on nearly every time frame, but I like those macro levels better as they hold more weight. 50 bucks. Perfect. So I'm talking to somebody like Hamza that I know. I know him personally. For every week, Hamza, go on Coinbase because, you have it. I helped you download it. Put $50 on auto buy. For how long? Forever. Bitcoin is a forever. Bitcoin is a forever. You do not sell your Bitcoin. Again, differentiate here. This class is crypto market analysis. This is not scalp trading Bitcoin. I'm not talking to you traders that trade Bitcoin. I've traded Bitcoins, scalp traded it, okay? I'm not talking about swing trading Bitcoin. You have to understand, this is a completely different conversation here. Whatever you can afford to do. I have it on every 2 weeks. A little bit. Very little. I don't think about it. I don't care about key levels. I don't care about market sentiment. Every 2 weeks. Every 2 weeks. Terminology is hard. If only an economics professor, just kidding, love you, bro. Bro, but I don't do real estate. When I in economics class, my professors in economics, we didn't talk about real estate. You want me to lie to you? They didn't teach anything about real estate. We had business classes in economics. We had trading stocks classes, but no real estate. So I don't know anything. $10 Bitcoin, $5 altcoin, $4, $10. See, there you go. $10 a week. Go for it, compa. I'm using the Coinbase credit card, getting 4% back. Cool. You trust Coinbase? People say take your so then take it off the exchanges. I've done the live where my money's on the ledger. That's fine too. Auto buy is sound advice. Boom. So let's go back into the chart. So now that I gave you that lecture, so Bitcoin is down. If you notice, stage 1, stage 2, stage 3. That stage 3 broke out to a stage 4 and became a massive. Again, page 41. Just accumulate. That's what I'm saying. You think YOP is in? I don't know what YOP is. Can we speak in English, guys? What are your top 5 coins day trade, Professor? Besides, I'm not saying that on the line. Read the books. By the way, it's in the books. Thank you so much for all your help. And of course, Hamza, you know I love you, bro. You know I love you. You've always been good to me. Plus, one day you could probably work for me. I like that 18, 19, 20-year-old traders that come to me because you're young and when time comes and the school's built, I need you to work for me. I'm just being honest. Maybe that's selfish. Maybe that's selfish. But page 107. Here. Page 107 for crypto. Boom. Page 107 for crypto. You mispronounced depreciation. Bet. I'm gonna call you out. That's fine. I want to say it the right way. Ivan, I know you're big into real estate. Did you ever get internet issues for Coinbase? Internet issues. I had an updated software update and said there was an internet issue. Works. Never had an issue with Coinbase. Ever. So back to this. We are now on a stage 4. It is going sideways. Let's see if it gets 69,000 is a very, 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 very important level. As you can see from past movements. If it breaks that, we got major problems. Major problems. Major problems. Can I work for you? Nah. Jobs are going to mentorship students. Literally the first people I hire are mentorship students. Literally. Literally. Like if you're watching my Mexico vlog, Jennifer is a mentorship student. I will give jobs, money, always back to my students before any other human even gets a mention of it. I don't think that's selfish at all. You care about your students heavily. All the best. Boom. So Fet AI is cooked from the looks of it. I'll work for you, no problems. Sneaking around with the phone while doing graveyard shift will come to an end one day. Still here. Paul, you signed up for the mentorship. Photographic memory. DM me, Paul. Bro, DM me. Let me put you on the secret Instagram. You got to DM me. You got an email saying to message me on the regular Instagram. Can't wait to meet you, Paul. I saw that your name came up on the January mentorship. Bro, I'm happy you got it before the price went up. Shout out to you. Thank you for listening. If this goes down, if this goes below 69,000, who's in major trouble? Let's see who pays attention to the crypto. Who is in major, major trouble? Let's see who knows. This one person is in major trouble. Who knows? I will work for you pro bono. Once you give up drinking, Ivan, then we can talk. Once you give up drinking. You gave up smoking, so I'm proud of you. Once you give up drinking alcohol, then we can talk. Hey, people in the chat know. People in the chat know. If this gets below this level, he is in a lot of trouble. And I feel bad for the guy. You know, I feel bad for him because he's trying his best. His company, MicroStrategy, and if I'm wrong, someone tell me, but I'm pretty sure it's MSTR. Can anyone confirm? Is that the ticker? I just, Big MSTR is directly correlated. They got listed on the S&P 500, and I think they're about to be delisted. I'll make you chocolate chip pancakes for breakfast. Appreciate it, Fran. Fran's the best. Fran came to the Puerto Rico mentorship, made breakfast for all the students. She's the best. The best. Sailor have a bottom of 25K. He's good. No, I know. But his company's stock, Compa, will take a drastic. It's already been beat up. So if it gets here, this, you know how many people are holding this? I have people that I know that they didn't buy Bitcoin. They bought MSTR because it's directly correlated. Who the hell is that guy? Go Google it. Watch the guy working the night shift 4 years from now. He'll be a millionaire. Yep, that's it. Yes. He added 1.4 billion to sustain the company through the bear market. Good day from Manila. What's up, Manila? They didn't, but they're talking about it. Yeah, they didn't yet, but they're talking about it. I think he's gonna push BTC even lower. Let's see. Let's see. This might be a trigger event, a black swan event. Was I right? Yeah, I'm right. Okay. This will be an event because I'm not going into this. I don't want to go into this. The live's almost 2 hours. How did this happen? How did 8 tickers turn to a 2-hour live? We got 20,000 people. Yo, they spending money to bot me tonight. Bro, thank you guys. I appreciate your service for helping me out tonight. Holy moly, spend that money on me, baby. Spend that money on me. I don't want to talk about this. All right, we'll talk about it. Maybe it might help me not to get pizza. See, this is what I hate, Domino's. Domino's closes at like 2 a.m. I don't want to get pizza. I got to be strong. I'm going to do Domino's and watch a movie. Watch like a 90s movie. Why didn't they just buy Bitcoin? Absolutely will do. I don't have Instagram or anything else. They distract you. I got you, but bro, you got to get on the secret Instagram. Paul. Listen, I'm with you. Instagram is garbage. I'm with you, bro. Listen. But the secret Instagram is liquid gold. Like the information, bro, if you think the stuff I talk about on these lives, information on the lives, okay? Secret Instagram. If you don't believe me, mentorship students, flood the chat. Did information from the secret Instagram make you more money and the money back from the mentorship just from information on the secret Instagram? Flood the chat. Flood the chat. Bless you, Professor, because you're the best. The live was the best today. Wait. Oh, got you. I appreciate you guys. Thank you. Only QE can we pump. You're the best, Professor. How to not spend time. I appreciate it. I thank you for spending time with me. I love spending time with you guys. You know I love being with you guys. We got great students. That's why 2 hours, 100%. I'm shocked. Real recognizes real. I just ate. Now I'm going to crave pizza. Bro, it's so good. Domino's advertising department botting you right now. Advertising. They're not paying me. Salo says, yes, it did. Yes, strong. Guys, by the way, if you think they're fake, look at their default pictures. My mentorship student, those are pictures with me and them. Strongly agree. Secret Instagram is fire. John, are you my John? From, you know John, Tall John? What the hell? Put a picture of me and you up. The secret Instagram is where it's at. We're always in the know before everyone else. Jennifer's, yo, guys, look. Guys, my assistant from Mexico, Jennifer's in the chat. Give her, yo, Jennifer. Yeah. I think I texted you. Yo, remember Jennifer in Mexico? We tried the Mexican stuffed crust of Domino's. We both said it was disgusting. Homie, it's delicious out in New York. Delicious. Guys, what did you guys like about Jennifer in the vlog? What did you enjoy about her? She's like a new character, like a TV show. You know how you have one character, me? She's a character on the live. What did you guys think? Let her know, bro. Let her know. She did a great job. By the way, that was the worst pizza in Mexico. The worst. By the way, guys, Jennifer is the best assistant. She made, what did she make for me? Sourdough bread. You've never had sourdough bread like this. She made me cookies because I was stressed out in the vlog. She knows. She made me chocolate chip cookies, the best cookies, handmade. The best cookies. Stuffed with pistachio, Nutella, the best cookies. Her steak, forget about it. Forget about her cooking. Literally. Super authentic, Jennifer, her personality. They love you, Jennifer. They love you. Oh, the classic movies. Predator is really good movie. Or Big Trouble. I love Big Trouble in Little Chinatown, Alfredo. I love that movie. I love the 80s. Cooking. Her cooking was phenomenal. I liked how you guys went out with that turtle in the water. Looked like fun. She's the only reason I went out. The next episode, guys, she took me out dancing. You guys, I don't know if the team cut it or it's in the video, but you'll see me dancing. Bachata? Jennifer? Merengue? Salsa? What was I doing? I don't know. I don't even know if it's in the episode. Maybe it's clipped. But I went out because of her. You guys are the best. Yeah. Literally. Jennifer treated you nice, Professor, with all the fresh. Yeah, the food was delicious. She was paid well. She was paid well. You know, I always get DMs when you guys see my assistants. How much you paying her? How much an hour did I pay? No, Jennifer, don't mention it. Don't mention. That's going to cause unnecessary problems. Don't mention it. When you tried to scare her, when she was in her phone, she's supposed to be asleep. That's true. You was very hyped about the bread. Guys, you don't know how the bread Jennifer made was bread you've never seen in your life. Delicious. It got cut from the episode. I don't know. My editing team, I gave them all the raw footage. I don't know if it's in there, but you'll see that. I seen the shorts on Instagram, you dancing. Oh, Instagram. Yeah. I post on Instagram. Salsa. He's a great dancer, FYI. I was doing salsa. Okay. All right. So now, let's get back to what I was saying. You tell me if this is manipulation. Less bread, more charts. Yes, sir. Less bread, more charts. Continue with your You know what I love? Talks for life, a lot. They never comment. They'll only comment to get me back on track. It's all good. Okay, now I'm writing a song called Pizza in Mexico. All right, I'm back on track. Manipulation. Tell me if Sailor... You know, every part of me wants to block Talks for Life and Ilat, but I'm not going to. Because I do need someone to put me back on track. I do need that. So I'm going to leave them be. Because I do need that. I'm not going to deny it. Sailor was buying BTC, putting it on the books on MSTR, what does that sound like to you? I don't know. I'm not going to say anything. I can't believe what 2 hours. I'm shocked that 2 hours flew by. I swear to God, it feels like 15 minutes that I just went live. And I'm boiling. I got the heater on blast. Why is the heater on blast? Because it's freezing in New York today. Does this sound a little... Bro, is trigger happy? I love blocking people, crypto. It's just mad fun. What do you want me to do? I really like doing it. What you want me to live? Are we still live on TikTok? We're live on Instagram has ended. Okay, Instagram kicked me out. TikTok. All right. Cool. All right, the live on Instagram is gone. What the hell did I say? I said too much. Who knows? Luna. Insider. I'm not saying nothing. A game is being played here. A game. And, all right, I don't want to do it, but I'll do it because it's correlated to the lecture. What just happened? No one's talking about the book right now, bro. Calm down, Crow. Come on, smartboard. Let's go, baby. Let's go bigger. This is not a crypto coin. This is a stock. Before someone says something stupid in the chat, So now, do you think there are people bag holding here? By the way, I know lots and lots of people that are the biggest believers in Michael Saylor, that didn't buy Bitcoin because the ROI they were saying on MSTR would have been greater. I'm not getting into this conversation. I think it's a certain amount of time for the live stream. I generally want to like Sailor MSCR, but the circular debt model is beginning to look more like 100%. 100%. I'm not going to go too much into it because Michael Saylor has like a cult following. I don't need drama. You know what it is? I strategically cause drama in my life. I'm being honest. Like, I can go on live right now. I mean, I can make an Instagram reel right now attacking the mayor of New York, attacking something with the Middle East war, and I'll do it purposely to trigger followers so I can block them. Like, I'll be in a mood one day to just block like 100 people. So I'll make a post that I know will get my followers who never comment, who never like, triggered, and I could just have fun. Like, I like to rage bait at times. I don't want to rage bait right now. I read that already. After this time, 1 hour, maybe it ends automatically. What's up, Olga? In all fairness, they're giving us a great buying opportunity. My sugar daddy, 80 roll, buys me XRP, Professor. God bless you, girl. So, people are bag holding in this area. Look at this drastic drop. From the 400s, we are now, what the hell? 178. All I'm saying is, this is a major zone coming up. It ain't looking so good. It ain't looking so good, man. I feel bad for the people at MSTR holding from the 400s and watching their portfolios be demolished. It is what it is. All right, listen. If you got any questions, ask me. Oh, snap. I'm live every Tuesday, Friday. For all the new people, welcome. Let's pause the music. I'm going to read the Quran. I'm live every Tuesday, Friday. Next Tuesday, I'll be live trading futures, 2 p.m. Eastern, right here on YouTube. Friday, I don't know what the live is, but I'm live for a couple more weeks in New York. And then I'll be in the Bahamas, and lives are moving over to Instagram. Let's go. I'm going to drop a quote out of the Quran. Maybe get some of you degenerates to unfollow because I'm reading this book. You know, the devil's in most of you. You guys are like possessed demons, some of you. And the rest of you like it. And random page. Ooh, I don't think we've fallen into this chapter in a long time. Chapter 19, Mary, Mother Mary. There is a whole, if you're Christians, you didn't know this, but in the Quran, there's a whole chapter about Mother Mary, Jesus' mom, in the Quran, a whole chapter. It's called Mary or Miriam. Ooh, I don't think we ever fell on this chapter. Or maybe we did. Let's find a good quote out of Mary's chapter. All right, I like this one. All right, chapter 19, Mary, verse 59. But they were succeeded by generations who neglected prayer and followed their lusts, and so will soon face the evil consequences. And as for those who repent, believe, and do good, it is they who will be admitted into paradise, never being denied any reward. They will be in gardens of eternity, promised in trust by the most compassionate to his servants. Surely his promise will be fulfilled. There will... did I skip a line? Okay. There will never hear any idle talks, only greetings of peace. And there they will have their provisions morning and evening. That is paradise, which we will grant to whoever is devout among our servants. Listen, just do good. What is that quote trying to say? If you made any money this week or this month, send some to your mother, send some to your father, send some to your family that are in need, and help them out. Help those that need guidance. There's a lot of people suffering. This is the holiday season where people are just not doing that good. Help somebody out. That is the best way. It's always your mother, then your father. I'm going to give you a funny story. This happened last week. I was helping this person, right? This person has been following me for a couple of years. I was helping them. And this person, she wanted to take the class. She asked her mom. Her mom's like, no, his classroom, I swear to God, his classroom is AI. That's fake. He's fake. It's all AI. Swear to God. And I'm like, so you think it's fake? That's what my mom said. I said, huh. So I spent some time trying to help that person. And then as I'm trying to help them, they're like, I only have $100 to my name. I said, okay, start with the free course. And use that $100 to buy a prop firm. Sometimes I just want to help people, like deeply want to help them. And then towards the end of the call, they're like, oh, you're just trying to close sales. I'm like, you know what? You can't be helped. Have a great day. And I ended the call. And what do you think happened after? You're just trying to get sales. You don't want to help. No. And I'm like, I didn't say this, but in my head I'm going, bro, you're broke. You have $100 to your name. You're telling me your bank account only has $100. Why would I care to help you to make money when you have no money to your name? I'm helping you. You've been watching for so long. I'm truly out of the bottom of my heart trying to help you. And everything is, oh, I'm not buying that. Oh, my mother thinks AI. And I'm like, and they ended up blocking me. And I went to my head that most people can't be helped. If they think everything is a money grab, ladies and gentlemen, I've reached the point in my life where I've made a little bit of money. I've done well for myself. And I proved it. Leaderboards, payouts, I proved it all. People will still not believe it. Even when you try to help them and show them everything, they still won't believe it. And that's someone like me. Who are you trying to help? Make some money. Help your mother. Appreciate every single person in the chat. I appreciate everybody. That's crazy. I did not know Mary was talking the Quran. I'm going to have to check this out now. Yeah. Alfredo, just go to the link in my bio. The same Quran I read is there. Chapter 19, Maryam. And by the way, Jesus, peace be upon him, is mentioned more in the Quran than anybody else. Even Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, is mentioned less. Jesus is mentioned more in here. So just so you know, Christians, Jesus is mentioned more in here. Mother Mary, Joseph, Abraham, Moses, Noah. It's a beautiful book. Praise God. So if you're AI, that means I've gone to simulate. That's what I'm saying, Eric. She went to go get the mom to maybe pay for the mentorship, and the mom's like, show me. That's not real. That's an AI. And I'm like, whoa. Now this is a new problem I got to deal with. People think my classroom is AI now. I'm like, damn. What can I do? You can't push rope, bro. I know, bro. I know. You do good. Thank you. Don't forget the dad. I said that. I said your mom first, then your dad. Your mom always comes first. Any help on drawing levels? Yo, Cersei, I'm going to speak a different language that you can understand. Did you not watch the entire live? The answers are here. If you were serious, you would get this book. Stop being broke mindset and weak mindset, Cersei. Cersei, whatever. Wake up. Maybe a gentle tone doesn't work for you. This book has all the answers. But you won't get it. I can't wait to make this price go up 3x. I cannot wait. You know, I feel like every book of mine should be like 1,000. That way most people can't buy it and they'll leave me alone. MashaAllah, brother, you read the Quran every time on the live. God bless you. Thank you. All right, guys. I'll see you every Tuesday, Friday. I'm live. It'll be live trading Tuesday. My entire schedule, entire YouTube schedule for this month is on the YouTube live. Please, common sense has to come back to earth. Common sense has to come back to earth. Common sense has to come back to earth. May peace be upon you all.